comes to innovation, Xiaomi never disappoints us. After launching a lot of smartphones, IoT products, laptops, and even audio gadgets, Xiaomi has now brought us the first look of its all-new smart glasses. These glasses are the perfect example of the future times when smartphones will be a thing of the past, and we will be able to access all smartphone functions in what we wear. Doesn't that sound cool? But we have seen smart glasses in the past as well. What's so special about these ones? Let's find out in today's video. But before moving on, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and also tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our latest tech content. So these are the all-new Xiaomi smart glasses. Starting with the design, the Xiaomi smart glasses come with a round frame and the device seems to be taking inspiration from superhero Iron Man smart glasses, Edith with a metal bar right above the nose rim. The Xiaomi smart glasses are lightweight, weighing at 51 grams, and it integrates a new micro LED optical waveguide technology to display messages and notifications in front of your eyes, according to the company. Apart from this, the Xiao AI Assistant is the primary interaction method with the glasses. It lets only the most important notifications get through to you and doesn't disturb you with every single notification your phone gets. You'll see smart home alarms, urgent information from the office apps, messages from important contacts, and other such things. Here, Xiaomi has opted for a monochrome display solution to allow sufficient light to pass through, and it is said to be capable of reaching a peak brightness of 2 million nits. Now let's have a look at what these smart glasses can actually do. The new Xiaomi smart glasses can display notifications for you, help you navigate easily, take interesting photos, and translate text real-time, right before your eyes. There's also a teleprompter function. The glasses have built-in dual beam-forming mics and speakers so you can take calls on them easily. There's a 5-megapixel camera on the front for pictures, and the smart glasses can transcribe audio into text with translations in real time. To enable all of this functionality, the smart glasses feature quad-core ARM processor, battery, touchpad, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth modules, and interestingly, a version of Android as the software. Although we don't have more details on its specifics. The Xiaomi smart glasses have been announced, but its pricing and availability details are still awaited. Some reports are suggesting that the wearable is likely to be first made available in China before coming into the global markets. And interestingly, Xiaomi's new smart glasses will be competing with Facebook's recently introduced Ray-Ban Story smart glasses. Facebook has adopted the classic Wayfarer frames and integrated smart components to enable several functionalities. So guys, what are your thoughts on Xiaomi's super cool smart glasses? Share your views in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, you keep watching Mr. Phone. This is me, Gunjan, signing off.